Black diamonds, especially Carbonado, are among the rarest and most mysterious forms of natural diamond. Unlike regular clear diamonds, Carbonado has a dark, porous appearance and a unique structure that makes it different from typical gemstones. Because of this, many people wonder, how can you test a black diamond at home without professional equipment? Here are simple, practical methods you can use to get a better idea if your stone might be real Carbonado. 1. The weight test. Carbonado diamonds are usually heavier than they look, but not as dense as synthetic black glass or many fake stones. Take the stone in your hand. Compare it with a similar size glass or quartz piece. Real Carbonado often feels slightly lighter than expected for a diamond, but still solid and compact. This test is not definitive, but it helps eliminate obvious fakes. Try for 2. The scratch test. Careful. Diamonds are the hardest natural material on Earth. Try scratching a piece of glass. A real diamond should easily leave a scratch without damage. Important. This test can damage the stone or surrounding surfaces, so it should be done carefully and only if you accept the risk. 3. The water drop test. This is a simple density check. Place the stone in a glass of water. Observe how it behaves. Real Carbonado may sink quickly due to its density, while some fake materials float or sink slowly depending on composition. 4. Transparency and light test. Carbonado is different from normal diamonds because it is opaque or semi-opaque. Hold it under strong light. Try to see if any light passes through. A real Carbonado diamond will not become transparent and will absorb most light, often showing a dull or matte surface. 5. Surface texture check. Carbonado has a very unique appearance. Rough, porous, or granular surface. Sometimes looks like cemented tiny crystals. No sharp glass-like sparkle. If the stone looks too perfect or overly shiny like glass, it may not be real Carbonado. 6. Magnifying glass inspection. If you have a small magnifier, look closely at the surface. Real Carbonado may show tiny pits, irregular patterns, and natural grain. Fake stones often look too smooth or artificially polished. 7. Heat resistance idea, basic check. Diamonds handle heat very well. A quick professional test uses heat, but at home you should not attempt extreme heating. Instead, observe if the stone reacts unusually to warm water or slight temperature change. No cracking or color change is a good sign. Important warning. Home tests can only give indications, not confirmation. Many materials like black glass, treated quartz, or synthetic stones can mimic Carbonado. The only 100% reliable method is professional testing using Raman spectroscopy, thermal conductivity testers, gemological lab analysis. Conclusion. Testing Carbonado black diamond at home is possible using simple observation methods like weight, scratch resistance, light behavior, and surface texture. However, these tests should be seen as initial clues, not final proof.